Hello ladies and gentlemen, all of you welcome. How to make Turkish Lahmacun at home, Turkish Lahmacun recipe with vegan options. Materials needed to make Lahmacun: 600 grams, high-fat lamb mince. Green lentils are used to make vagan. 4 large tomatoes. 8-10 green peppers. 10 to 12 garlic. 4 large onions. 1 bunch of parsley. 2 spoons of tomatoes. 2 spoons of hot pepper paste. Cumin. Black pepper. Hot isot pepper, Urfa pepper. Rock salt. Liquid sunflower oil. Olive oil. One large bowl of water for dough. Dry yeast, sugar and salt. 2.5 cups sifted wheat flour. First soak green lentils in water, wash and cook. Prepare lahmacun dough in a large kneading bowl. Add water. Add dry yeast, salt, and sugar. Mix a little until the ingredients are melted. Add flour and knead the dough until it becomes smooth. Add some water if necessary. It will be a slightly solid dough. 6 large lahmacun will be made with this dough. Twice the normal size, eat double portion lahmacunlar. Divide your dough into 6 equal pieces. Prepare 160 grams of dough balls. Normal 1 portion lahmacun dough is 80 grams. Sprinkle flour in a tray and add the dough balls. Add some flour on the dough, so that the bag or cloth does not stick. Cover it up and wait at least 45 minutes. While the doughs are fermented, lahmacun ingredients will be prepared. Wash vegetables. Peel and prepare the onions. Chop the onions and garlic with blender. Add chopped onion and garlic to the mixing bowl. Chop the green peppers. Add chopped peppers to the mixing bowl. Chop the tomatoes with blender. Add chopped tomatoes in the strainer. Strain the excess juice of the tomatoes, and use it in another dish. This is one of the differences between lahmacun and ground meat pita. Lahmacun is made with a more thirsty and tomato paste, spicy, oily mixture. During this time, green lentils were boiled and cooked. Add green lentils to cold water, mix a little and add to the strainer. Green lentils will wait until they are completely dehydrated. Add a little liquid sunflower oil, this may change. The oil ratio should be adjusted according to the oil content of minced meat. Minced meat used here is high in fat. Add the spices and salt. Add tomato paste and hot pepper paste. Mix the ingredients. If you are going to be vegan, leave half of it. Half of the ingredients will be used for vegan lahmacun. Add the ground beef and mix. It can be a solid consistency lahmacun mixture, don't add water. Use green lentils to make vegan lahmacun. Green lentil and ground beef vitamin and protein ratio is the same. I do this because some followers want it. There is no vagan at home. The vegan lahmacun mixture looks more juicy than the other. A little more tomato paste can be added by straining. It is necessary to add more oil to this mixture than the other. A mix of two different lahmacun is considered ready. They look the same, parsley is missing. Finally, chop and add finely parsley. The last stage before cooking lahmacun. Add flour and roll out the dough, open it at the length of the baking tray. No need to be very professional to open the lahmacun dough, you can. Add flour to the tray and place the dough. You should add the lahmacun mixture evenly over the dough. Use on square tray, make it according to the material in your home. Operate the oven 5 minutes in advance and warm it at the highest setting. These are Turkish lahmacun with ground meat, and now the cooking phase. Add 1 tray of lahmacun to the oven and cook for 7 minutes. Cooking lahmacun at home is a bit troublesome, but rather it should be this way. Add the tray to the oven bottom after cooking and wait another 1 minute. Make sure the lahmacun base is cooked, remove. Prepare vegan lahmacuns in the same way. Yes, the oven is big, but for best results, you should cook it this way. Served with a colorful, simple salad alongside the traditional Turkish lahmacun. To make a lahmacun salad, chop lettuce. Chop purple cabbage. Grate carrots, they should be long-grained carrots. Mix all the salad ingredients in a bowl. Lemon slices are also served with lahmacun. Turnip juice and buttermilk are preferred as drinks next to Turkish lahmacun. Turnip juice is made in Adana City with a traditional beverage, turnip plant. Orange liquid in the little bottle is added to the drink to make it bitter. Add the required amount of bitterness and turnip juice into the glass. I can say that the taste of turnip juice is sour and bitter taste, but delicious. Another traditional Turkish drink, buttermilk ayran, a healthy drink, is made by mixing water, yogurt and water. Add 3 to 5 spoons of yogurt and enough salt into 2 cups of cold water. Blend well with the blender and add the buttermilk to the glass. Lahmacuns should be served as soon as they come out of the oven. After the video shoot, we had to wait a bit here. Vegan lahmacun looks fine, vegan friends can try. Salad is added on lahmacun and lemon is squeezed. How to eat lahmacun. Turnip juice, fruit juices can be preferred besides vegan lahmacun. Vegan lahmacun was a delicious experience. The original ground beef lahmacun is the best. We have come to the end of the video prepared for you. Thanks to everyone who watched the videos and supported me. See you in a new video, goodbye.